Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, we'll be addressing some issues that might be causing your PayPal not to work. So let's get right into it. The first reason that might be causing your PayPal not to work is PayPal itself being down. The servers of PayPal are down. You can always check that on downdetector.com. You can check that for many websites on there and then just find out if their servers are actually working or not. Next, PayPal might be restricting your account because you didn't verify it yet. So to verify your account on PayPal, you want to confirm a bank account or use their PayPal credit services. So to add a bank account, you always just want to go into your PayPal and then go into Wallet, and right here you can link a bank. And then you can add a bank account, and then this just verifies your bank account, this verifies your PayPal profile, and this will get you out of those restrictions on PayPal, and your limits will be higher on PayPal. That's the next issue. There are limits on PayPal. They are pretty high. So for accounts that are verified, they're around 60,000 per transaction. So really high limits. So that should not be a problem. But if you're trying to send a lot of money, or maybe you don't have an account or you haven't verified it, the PayPal limit might be causing your transaction not to go through. Next, because PayPal is just a payment fulfillment service and it's linked to your bank account or to a card, the problem might not be with PayPal, it might be with your card or your bank account. So to check that, always go into your wallet, and right here you can check what you have added. So your bank account, you can see that that's added, or which card you have added right here. And if you want to try a different card, maybe your bank is limiting your transactions, maybe your bank account only has a limit of a few $100, then you can always try another bank account. Just click on link a bank and you can link a new bank account. Remove the old one if you want to. Next, you might want to try to use a different device, because PayPal actually tracks the devices you sign in on. If you sign in on a new device, for example, this might be flagged as suspicious, and then you can't send that much money, there's some limits, or you're not able to send money at all. So this can cause some problems. So make sure you're using a device that PayPal knows and that usually works for you. You can check the devices that have been logged into your account if you go to the gear symbol right here on the top right, then go to security, and now go to manage logins, and then you'll see a list of devices that have logged into the PayPal account, and then you can check if you're using one that has already logged in. Next, of course, you can always try logging out and logging back in. So just hit log out if you're in the web browser right here, and then you can just log back in. Also make sure that you're not using a VPN, because the VPN hides where you are using the app from, or it says that you're using the app from a different device in a different country. This can of course be flagged as suspicious and then restrict your PayPal account, because they think randomly, okay, in the morning you were still at home and 10 minutes later now you turn on your VPN, you're in a whole different country. So they'll think there's some sort of security issue right there. So make sure you're not using a VPN when trying to use PayPal. But do make sure you're in a secure network. So if you're using a free network somewhere on the go in an airport, do use a VPN, of course. But if it's not working, this might be the problem. Next, of course, you always want to keep your PayPal app updated if you're using the app on your phone. So let's quickly go over how to update the PayPal app on your Android phone and on your iPhone, just so everything works smoothly right there. So launch the Google Play Store. Let's start with Android. Then tap on the profile icon on the top right. Go onto Manage Apps and Device, and then click on Updates Available, and then right there you can hit Update All, or just check if PayPal is in that list and if PayPal does need a update. Moving on to iPhone, steps are similar. Launch the App Store, then tap onto your profile, top right corner, and then look under Upcoming Automatic Updates. And right there, if you see PayPal, you can hit update right next to it, or update all to make sure everything updates right there. So I hope these things helped. If none of this helped, make sure to contact the PayPal support, message them, describe your problem, and they should be able to help you right there. But if this did help you, make sure to drop a like and subscribe, and comment down below if you have any more questions.